Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. In today's session, we will learn specimen of profit and loss account. So let's begin. So students, here we see the specimen of profit and loss account. Okay. So all indirect expenses and losses are recorded in debit side of profit and loss account. And all indirect income and gains we will record it in credit side. Okay, so profit and loss is a nominal account. So students, first we start with the debit side. In debit side we write first gross loss brought down. ये जो लॉस है ये हमें ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में मिलता है. Then we will start with the expenses. The first type of expenses is office expenses like salary and wages, office expenses, unproductive wages, printing and stationery, postage and telegram, telephone charges, electricity charges, legal charges, audit fees, etc. Okay. So all our office expenses we write in debit side of profit and loss account. Then we will start with the credit side. So first we see in this slide gross profit brought down. Then all the income received, example discount received, commission received, dividend received, rent received, other receipts, then interest on investment, interest on drawing. Okay, so all this income we write in profit and loss credit side. So in the next slide we will learn next part of profit and loss account. So students, in this slide we see the expenses like electricity charges, legal charges, audit fees, okay, then bank charges, interest paid, warehousing rent, rent rates and taxes, insurance, trade expenses, traveling expenses. So all these expenses we write in profit and loss debit side. Okay, and in credit side we see by net loss transfer to partners capital or current account, which you will find out the total at the end of the profit and loss totaling specimen. So students, in this slide we see discount allowed, advertisement, export duty, carriage outward. Okay, then bad debts. Here we add further bad debts which we find in the adjustment, then add NRDD which we found again in adjustment, then less old reserve for doubtful debts, then provident fund contribution. Okay, then repairs and renewals, interest on capital. Okay, so in the next slide we will see next part of profit and loss. So students, here we will see salary given to partners, commission given to partners, interest on partners loan, okay, then depreciation on fixed assets, then loss by fire or theft, loss on sale of assets, because all our entries of expenses and losses which we are recorded in profit and loss debit side. Okay, then afterward we have to find out the total of debit side and credit side. If credit side is more and debit side is less, then we find out net profit. Then this net profit we transfer to partners capital account in a ratio which is given in a question. Suppose we find out debit balance is more and credit side is less, then we find net loss. Again we transfer this loss to partners capital account or current account. So okay, in next slide we will learn balance sheet specimen. So students, in this slide we will learn about balance sheet. Okay, so balance sheet क्या होती है? Balance sheet is a statement showing financial position of a firm. Okay, so left hand side of balance sheet shows liability side and right hand side shows assets. So liabilities means business ने जो credit, that means उधारी ले रखी है. बिजनेस क्रेडिट किससे लेता है, या तो वो अपने पार्टनर से लेगा या फिर आउटसाइडर से लेगा. Same when we see in asset side, we will see two types of asset. First is fixed assets and second is current assets. Mostly fixed assets value always fixed, but current assets value may be increase or decrease. It depends upon the condition of a market. So let's start in the format of balance sheet. One thing we have to remember that debit and credit is not written on liability and asset side. So यहाँ पे ध्यान में रखो कि जैसे हमने ट्रेडिंग प्रॉफिट लॉस में डेबिट क्रेडिट लिखा था वैसे यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं करना है. So first we divide assets. So first starting with the intangible assets. Example, intangible assets क्या होते हैं? Which we are not seeing, which we cannot touch. ओके. सो इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स एग्जाम्पल जो भी आपने लास्ट ईयर भी पढ़ा था, गुडविल, पेटेंट्स, कॉपीराइट, ट्रेडमार्क, दिस ऑल आर इंटेंजिबल एसेट्स. सो नेक्स्ट एसेट्स आर टेंजिबल एसेट्स. एग्जाम्पल लैंड बिल्डिंग, फ्री होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी, लीज होल्ड प्रॉपर्टी, प्लांट एंड मशीनरी, फर्नीचर, मोटर कार, लूज टूल, एक्सेट्रा. So students, starting with the liability side, suppose in a trial balance if we see capital account and current account, okay, तो then अगर capital current दोनों दिया है तो capital account we have to write in liability side and current account we have to prepare it, okay. But अगर current account नहीं है, only capital account है, so we may show only the balance here in capital account in liability side. Okay, so then outsiders liability, students, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, bank loan, okay, ये सब हमारी outsiders liabilities है. Then partners loan, अगर हमने पार्टनर से लोन लिया है तो वो भी हम लोग यहाँ पे मेंशन करेंगे. Then students, in the next part of balance sheet we will see in next slide. So students, in this slide we see motor vehicle, investment, provident fund investment, interest accrued on investment, जो भी हमने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया है उसके ऊपर जो इंटरेस्ट हमें मिलने वाला है, लोन्स एंड एडवांसेस, जो भी हमने लोन दिया है, लूज टूल्स, सन्ड्री डेटर्स, बिल्स रिसीवेबल, ओके, क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, स्टॉक ऑफ स्टेशनरी, कैशियड बैंक, स्टॉक ऑफ पोस्टल स्टैम्प. So these all are our assets, okay. Then liability side, other loan, outstanding expenses, pre-received income, income जो हमको ऑलरेडी मिल चुकी है, रिजर्व फंड, प्रोविडेंट फंड, ये हम लोग नोट डाउन करते हैं, ओके. सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड वी विल लर्न पेंडिंग assets. So in this slide students we will learn prepaid expenses, outstanding income, जो इनकम रिसीव नहीं हुई है बट मिलने वाली है, then insurance claim receivable, okay, and the last is partners current account debit balance. So यहाँ पे हम अपने assets की लिस्ट ख़त्म करते हैं. देन लास्ट में क्या करना होगा, वी हैव टू टोटल ऑफ द साइड ऑफ असेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज एंड इट मस्ट बी इक्वल, ओके. सो इन द नेक्स्ट पार्ट स्टूडेंट वी विल लर्न एडजस्टमेंट एंट्रीज इन फाइनल अकाउंट.